If your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones are not turning on, or maybe they're just acting a little weird, well, don't panic. These are high-tech pieces of gear, and sometimes they just need a quick digital kickstart. Today, I'm going to walk you through the official troubleshooting steps to get your audio back on track. Let's get started. All right, first thing we're going to try is the very simple turn on, turn off process. Simply press and hold that power button for at least 2 seconds until that blue light starts to flash. If you see that, you are golden, my friend. You're ready to go and use them the way you've been using them. Now, if you don't see that light turn on, it's time to check the internal battery life on the headphones. Plug it in all the way in, make sure it clicks and is fully seated, and you're gonna see that red light indicator turn on. That means they're charging, and if you do see that, let them charge for at least 10 minutes before unplugging them and checking again. All right, if you don't see that red light turn on, it's time to do a quick soft reset. You don't have to worry, this is very safe to try. It's not going to impair from your phone on any other device, and your settings are going to remain the same. Now, to do that reset, that soft reset, simply press and hold the power button and the custom button labeled noise canceling and ambient sound. So let's go ahead and press and hold it. And what you want to look for is that the red light turns off, and then eventually it's going to turn on again. So let's go ahead and press and hold. Take a look at the light. There you go, it turned off, release it, and now you have done the soft reset. Go ahead and unplug them. And now it's time to try again. Try turning them on and see if that worked for you. Now, let's say that didn't work. Well, the next step will be to try a hard reset or initializing the headphones to factory settings. Quick warning, if you do that, then it's gonna get unpaired from your phone and any other device, and all settings are gonna go back to factory settings. All right, the way to do that is very simple. Make sure that the headphones are unplugged and make sure that the headphones are off in the off settings, so you're not gonna see that blue light blinking. From here now, all you have to do is press and hold the power button and the noise canceling ambient sound custom button for at least 7 seconds. And you're gonna see the blue indicator light turn on and flash 4 times. So you're gonna press and hold it. And once you see that blue light flash 4 times, you have done the factory reset and they're back to factory settings, how you first got them out of the box. From there, just turn them on, pair them back to your phone and your other devices, and you should be good to go. Now, once you pair them to your phone, go ahead and open that Sony Sound Connect app, and you want to check for the latest firmware update, or maybe they're already fully updated and you're good to go. But having that firmware update always installed makes sure that the headphones are always running smoothly and in perfect condition. Also, here's another tip for you. If your audio is cutting in and out, there's probably some wireless device interfering with your Bluetooth connection. Simply go into the Sony Sound Connect tab settings, and under connections, change the Bluetooth connection quality to prioritize a stable connection. And that is it, my friends. If none of that worked for you, it might be a hardware issue and you'll want to contact Sony support while you're still under warranty. But for most of you, that reset should have fixed it. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.